Since its establishment in 2015, Winway Lighting has been specializing in the design and manufacture of LED commercial lighting solutions. With professional R&D, precision production, and strict quality control, we are committed to providing efficient, energy-saving, and environmentally friendly lighting products to our global customers, lighting up every corner of the world. Winway's diverse product line is designed to meet the needs of retail, office, industrial, and commercial spaces, including LED ceiling light series, simple design, uniform light effect, suitable for office and home environment, tri-proof light, IP65/IP66 waterproof, dustproof and insect-proof design for harsh environments such as warehouses, workshops, and outdoor applications. LED fan light, combining lighting and air circulation to bring a comfortable experience to the space. LED linear pendant lighting provides modern linear light effects for commercial and office spaces. LED track light, flexible adjustment of the beam angle, ideal for retail displays and showrooms. LED floodlight, high brightness protective design, suitable for outdoor lighting, parking lots, and industrial areas. LED downlights, recessed design, providing soft and energy-saving indoor lighting solutions. LED panel light, slim and beautiful, widely used in offices, schools, hospitals, and other indoor spaces. LED module, support flexible customization to meet the individual needs of different projects for light sources. Each of Winway's products has the following advantages: high energy efficiency and environmentally friendly design to reduce energy consumption and protect the green earth, durability and stability through rigorous life and reliability tests, aesthetics and functionality, incorporating the design style of modern commercial spaces, flexible OEM, ODM, and SKD capabilities to provide global customers with rapid customization services, reduce customer logistics costs, and make product installation more flexible. We not only provide high-quality lighting products, but also provide a full range of service support, professional technical advice and selection guidance, rapid response after-sales service, long-term product quality assurance, and continuous supply capacity. Let every customer use at ease, cooperation without worry. Winway Lighting, with innovative lighting to light up business value, with green technology to guard the future of the earth. Choose Winway Lighting to make your space more efficient, comfortable, and bright. Winway Lighting, your reliable lighting partner.